before. So this I want to organize. Cube from Ikea and many supplements. Here some glasses, some lenses, some stuff. I've got that cube from Ikea. Try to put it in here. Wish me luck, if not, then ask boyfriend to help me. So here is the things you put inside, instruction. Yes, here's the screw. And this is the outside door. I switched to different lens and now I'm showing you this Ikea. Let's continue. But before, maybe here is Ikea shelf. So I have to screw this hinges, or how it's called, of those fixed screws on both sides, and then this small thingy with big screw but outside here. We'll do it. I have screwdriver. Where is it? Here. Require some power. Now this part. Okay, I screw it in. Not bad. Now this small thingy with this outside here. Here. So I put this in and this. Two of them. Don't get the drill, and two of them will be put here. And it looks like this. And it looks like this. So one is in, 2 or 3 to go, but one I will put the shelf different kind. This is the one already. Looks like this. Not bad. I removed the sticker. But here that screw stripped and now it's sticking out, but when you close it, it's not too bad. It's not that visible. So I put 2 things already, so to YouTube. So here are my cameras. This will have to be done. Here are some cosmetics, essential oil, some ACK products, toothpaste, here pain relief, water bottle. Nice. Yeah.
What you?
You know you don't.
How do you know? You know.
Nice, look nice. So it's coming together. It will be too much. Still have some mess here that needs to be organized. Cables, shelves that I put in. Still have to put. Yay! This is weird why it's so dark. Okay. Huh. Here's no light, that's why. Okay, bye.